Now, the minimum wage, as everybody is aware, is going up across the state. It's going to $10 per hour on January 1st, 2016. Just wanted to flag that for everybody. And a little caution as well. I was just speaking with a client yesterday that exempt employees, that threshold, the salary basis part to qualify as an exempt employee is going to increase from currently $37,440 to qualify as an exempt employee. It's going to go up to the 41. Excuse me, there's that cough coming in. It's going up to that $41,600 to qualify. Now, just a quick overview again, exempt employee, there's two-part test, salary basis test, that's this that I just mentioned, and also there's a duties test, a duties test that applies, and the duties test is that they're spending more than 50% of their time performing exempt duties. So employers need to keep those two issues in mind when looking at whether their employees that or their exempt employees are properly classified as exempt or not. And I've got, we've got a lot of local ordinances going into play coming up here soon. San Francisco obviously has had theirs in place for a while for a higher minimum wage, but we're seeing a lot of local ordinances go in, and I've got Los Angeles listed here as a reminder about that higher minimum wage going into play. Now, we've got a lot of questions about how employers are going to deal with these local ordinances. What if an employer just has employees go into Los Angeles and work for a portion of the day, say you're a catering company, and then leave Los Angeles and come back outside of Los Angeles and work the other part of the day? What minimum wage applies? It's very complex, and to tell you the truth, we don't have any answers on that right now. And if that is a situation that you're facing, your employees work part-time in some of these local cities that have a higher minimum wage and then leave and work outside of that, what minimum wage applies to your employees is something you need to look at very carefully and make sure that you're compliant with that. And I wish we had a clear answer on that, but we don't at this point. So I think these employers need to work with counsel, be conservative about it up front till we get some further clarification.